friends, I'm Myra Roldan, but you all can call me Myra. I hope you join us at ATD TK in LA, where we're gonna have a lot of fun. In my session, we're gonna be diving into AI, not just AI, but generative AI. And don't worry, I'm not gonna throw a bunch of theory and terminology at you. We're actually gonna build. So we're gonna get hands-on with generative AI, and by the end of my session, you're gonna have prototypes that you'll be able to take back to work and showcase and really start to talk to your teams about how can you start integrating artificial intelligence, what are some of the considerations, what are some of the risks, and what are some of the skills that you need to have on your team in order to use it effectively. So I hope that you'll join us. I can't wait to see you there.